Hello everyone and welcome to a quick Instagram tutorial. In today's video I want to show you how to view profile pictures on Instagram at full size. It's actually quite simple to do. For this video I'm going to show this using my own Instagram account. To do this I just need the name of the Instagram account and copy it. Now I go to the website izoomu.com, type the name into the search bar and press enter. Here I can now view the profile picture in full size and also find other options. If the Instagram account is public, I can also view the posts. The page may has a loading error right now, but I can download the pictures for example. Since they are my pictures, that's not a problem for this example either. And as you can see, this also allows you to download posts from the Instagram account. While you can't see posts on a private account, you can always view the profile picture at full size even if it's a private account. And that's all you have to do to enlarge an Instagram profile picture. I hope you enjoyed the video and I'll see you again in the next tutorial. Until then, your tutorial guy. Bye.